मैं अपना सर कहाँ फोड़ूं?
Where do I bang my head? Where do I bang my head?
ठंडी हवा अंदर आ रही है।
Cold air is coming in. Cold air is coming in.
अपनी हालत सुधारो।
Improve your condition. Improve your condition.
मुझे सुकून से जीने दो।
Let me live peaceful. Let me live peaceful.
वो बहुत जिंदा दिल है।
She is very lively. She is very lively.
गाड़ी में बैठो।
Get in the car. Get in the car.
मैंने तुमसे कभी कुछ नहीं कहा।
I never said anything to you. I never said anything to you.
इससे क्या हुआ?
What happened to him? What happened to him?
आप अपनी जगह पर ठीक हैं।
You are right on place. You are right on place.
ये खत्म नहीं होगा।
It won't end over. It won't end over.
आपने गलत वक्त चुना है।
You chose a wrong time. You chose a wrong time.
ये साफ हो जाएगा।
That would be cleared. That would be cleared.
और कौन करेगा?
Who else would? Who else would?
मैं कैसे संभालूं?
How do I handle? How do I handle?
इसकी हालत तरस खाने वाली है।
His condition is pathetic. His condition is pathetic.
उसे वहां रखिए।
Keep it there. Keep it there.
ये घाटा नुकसान होगा।
It would be a loss. It would be a loss.
अब बहुत देर हो चुकी है।
It's too late now. It's too late now.
वो नहीं आए।
She didn't come. She didn't come.